The overall resource trade known as Wax is one of the famous virtual monetary standards and most utilized Layer 1 blockchain environments internationally, particularly for non-fungible tokens, dApps, and computer games. Wax permits its effective money management clients to make, purchase, sell, and exchange various things around the world. Its day for kickoff is 2017. Being the ruler of the NFT market, Wax has effectively exchanged great many NFTs from its accomplices. The Wax biological system comprises of trades, Wax cloud wallets, games, blockchain administrations, commercial centers, DEX, patent portfolio, and protected innovation permitting. The significant play to procure games, for example, Outsider World, Our Planet, Kolobok experiences. Miners are related with Wax, and clients can get to a large number of the dApps and NFT commercial center with Wax. Wax was granted carbon unbiased confirmation in mid-2021 on the grounds that it utilizes Wax's designated verification of stake component, which is almost multiple times energy effective 0.00001% of the energy of POW chain. In 2021, Wax delivered a progression of carbon offset Roman 6RL NFTs. What is Wax coin? The local digital currency of the Wax network is known with a ticker image WAXP. WAXP is utilized for marking, casting a ballot, an installment of the relative multitude of administrations in the Wax stage. At the point when the speculation coin is marked, it is kept aside and put away there until the client claims it. This builds the shortage of coins. Clients can recover the marked tokens, and it will give compensations over the long run. Wax considers marking as a commitment to the blockchain. Not at all like different tokens, WAXP can be marked without an exchange expense. Wax holders have the democratic power for the administration of the biological system. The Wax tokenomics model meets the adaptation capacities of DEFI. The deal costs of virtual products are recorded in the Wax token. Assume anything is recorded on different monetary standards. All things considered, it must be changed over into Wax digital money through a virtual cash switching system over completely to the ongoing worth at the hour of procurement. The higher the quantity of Wax token clients holds, the higher the client's democratic power. The Wax token is utilized as an expense for exchanges and messages, yet at a less sum. The Wax token has 18 decimal spots. Thus, it tends to be utilized for miniature exchange settlements. The Wax stage possesses 4 sorts of records. 3 are performed by outside specialists, and 1 independently. WAXP token can be changed over into WAXE. Clients can consume WAXP to gather WAXE. WAXE is an ERC20 and can likewise be utilized in Ethereum, DEFI stages. WAXG is the administration badge of the speculation stage. It is likewise an Ethereum-based ERC20 token appropriated to WAXE stakers. There are principally 3 sorts of deciding on Wax: society casting a ballot to decide in favor of organizations, intermediary casting a ballot, specialist proposition casting a ballot. dApps engineers likewise benefit from marking their Wax tokens since it assists them with saving the framework asset. WAXP is adaptable since it is traded without any problem. ICO has raised around $9,600,000 worth of Wax tokens. In August 2021, there was a monstrous flood in Wax cost at specific trades. This is because of the expanded interest of NFT, and the exceptional administrations and devices of Wax have drawn in the gaming organizations to list their top-of-the-line games in Wax WAXP. Verifiable information says Wax, after a descending pattern, encountered a pattern inversion and began moving vertical from the start of October 2021. Afterward, in the midst of worldwide prompts, Wax likewise displayed a retracement in cost levels. From last week onwards, WAXP cost shows a defeat with the development of a solid negative candle. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting a low at 39 cents, the coin enlisted sideways exchanging. Afterward, December 6, 2021 was the 6th back-to-back day of Wax cost drop with sell Wax sign. From specialized investigation information, quick obstruction is put at 32 cents. In the event that WAXP cost can break this level, it needs to confront the obstacle of 39 cents. The following opposition is 44 cents. Significant opposition is put at 53 cents levels. In the event that the Wax cost drop proceeds, the WAXP cost raises a ruckus around town of 25 cents, and financial backers can sit tight for the following help. Significant help is put at 23 cents. As of now, there is a slight rectification saw in the Wax cost, yet there are opportunities for the coin cost to ascend for the time being. The value outlines specialized examination of significant specialized pointers shows that the general strength record is put at 43.92, a sell sign. MACD line is somewhat beneath the sign line. Information shows that Waxp began exchanging over its 20 AMA and 50 AMA from September 2021 onwards. However, costs dipped under 20 AMA in October 2021. There is a gamble of breakdown in view of our cost conjecture. Specialized pointers and market opinion for the token are negative, and there is no affirmation of a prompt cost ascend for the not-so-distant future. In any case, forceful dealers can stand by to return quickly from the reference help levels and take a proper section for the present moment. As of now, the 20 AMA, 50 AMA, and 200 AMA are over the exchanging cost of Wax. Wax value expectations from 2022 to 2026. 2021 was a forward leap in the historical backdrop of the crypto world. Major administrative discussions are in the conversation, which made an enormous effect on the crypto market. Individuals raced to crypto this year, which was the purpose for the flood of the crypto market cap. The eventual fate of computerized coins is continually developing. Organizations are raising trend-setting innovation to turn into a piece of the race. Wax has expansive application and utility. The drawn-out Wax gauge expects a decent return in Wax Waxp cost. In any case, the cost of Wax moves is profoundly associated with the organization's presentation, declarations, public consideration, and income. The quantity of altcoins has been expanding step by step, fortifying future rivalry. On account of its special qualities, Wax has shown long-haul procuring potential in the Wax estimate. Wax Value Conjecture 2022. The most extreme anticipated cost of Wax is 42 cents, as it were. Because of the dive of the cryptographic money world and different reasons, the token is supposed to skip to the obstruction level, as it were. This implies Wax digital currency can't be viewed as a wise interest sooner rather than later in light of our Wax cost forecast. Wax Coin Value Forecast 2023. Wax Waxp cost forecast predicts a start at 54 cents. A steady ascent is anticipated. In any case, it's not possible for anyone to ensure something very similar. The year predicts a mix of rising and drop in the cost of Wax. The greatest Wax Waxp cost expectation for the year's end is estimated at 51 cents, which is a decent profit from venture for the people who put resources into Wax contrasted with the earlier year. The base cost of Wax is normal at 40 cents start of the year according to our Wax cost forecast. Wax Crypto Value Forecast 2024. Wax is anticipated to start at 59 cents in 2024. The future cost expected for the year end is 62 cents. And that implies a colossal expansion in the cost of Wax in view of our examination and Wax cost expectation. While considering the 3 years of Wax cost expectation, the worth has denoted a gigantic development at the ongoing cost level. A most extreme Wax cost equivalent 58 cents. And the base cost for the year is 37 cents in view of our Wax cost expectation. Wax Token Value Expectation 2025. Wax cost expectations are expected to start at 65 cents, with a sluggish cost increment. It will reach 66 cents in no less than a half year of the period. Wax cost forecast shows it will break an unequaled high this year with an expanded market cap and transform into a productive speculation. Greatest Wax cost expectations for the year are 66 cents, and the least cost is 52 cents. Wax value gauges 2026 and then some. Waxp token will be considered as a productive speculation choice because of various variables like the